Bili na kayo rito. Ganda ng mga display nila. Mura ng bag. Backpack. 5KD lang po siya.
Anita, you have pending, Anita, ha? Pin number 2.
Yes.
Ano sa man? 9? Oh.
Ito naman, buy one, get one. Baby towel. Pero hindi ko alam kung magkakano ang price. 22KD.
Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna talking the quarter one kids at now. Let's come together visit our strength.
Tapos na mga bed. Gala ba ang bed? Magandang price. Hanapin natin guys ang price. Ito naman. 56KD. Carpet. Ang mga carpet. 149. Ang mahal. Pero ang gaganda ng quality nila.
Your eyes, your nose.
Yan mga bags para sa school. School ng mga bata.
Mama, can you please show me some that give me bubbles? What did the customer give you? What did we have?
Dito po ito sa Pottery Barn for kids. Ay, ayan. Yan. Pottery Barn for kids.
0310. Great.
Yan. Bili na kayo. Punta na kayo dito. Ito sa Pottery Barn for kids. Sa IKEA, sa Avenues.
So you better get the
Diba? Ang gaganda ng mga paninda nila. Tingnan natin ang bags. Barbie. 19KD. Barbie bags.
Can you please give me the grade?
Nanalo ka. Mama Julie, nanalo ka.
Ha?
Nanalo ka.
One day, sorry, 1 day.
No, this is not grade.
For the managers, all natin.
There is no more grade. No, I think the grade is there. See on the picture.
What 100%?
Who the?
The wax.
No, it's not yet. It's not yet. See, somehow. 03 03 something.
No, another one. I don't know.
This is this one.